Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will be solving this SAT math question. So let's see what the question says first. In 2014, Tony earned 11% more than in 2013. Similarly, in 2015, Tony earned 6% more than in 2014. If Tony earned p times as much in 2013 as in 2015, which of the following is closest to the value of p? So we are provided two cases where the earning in 2014 is 11% more than that in 2013. Similarly, in 2014, the earning is 6% more than that in 2014. Then we are asked that now how many times the earning in 2015 is equals to uh, the earning in 2013. So just explaining like this might not seem you might not understand, so let's solve this. So in this kind of question it is better to suppose the initial earning to be equal to 100. So let the earning in 2013 be 100. So then earning in 2014 will be equals to if we suppose this value equals to y, then y plus 11% of y. So this is equals to plus 1 by 100 y, and if we put the value of y, then times 100 is equals to 111. So this is the earning in 2014. Similarly, what we have said here is the earning in 2015 is 6% more than that in 2014. So then earning 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 in 2015 is equals to 111 plus 6% of 111. So this will be equals to 111 plus 6 by 100 times 111. So if I calculate this, how much I will get is, let me calculate this in my calculator. You may do that in yours as well. So the value that we get is 117.66. Yeah. So now what the question is saying is the if Tony earned p times as much in 2013 as in 2015, which of the following is closest to the value of p? That means earning in 2023 is equals to p times earning in 2015. So let's put the value here. Earning in 2013 is 100. So 100 is equals to p times 117.66. 117.66. That is p is equals to 100 by 117.66. Let me calculate this in my calculator. You may do that in yours as well. Well, the value that I get is 0.84 and 99. 0.849. And well, there's a huge gap between 4 and 9 here. Let me fix that. Yeah, 0.8499 is our value of p. So let's see which of following is closest to 0.8499. um, we can clearly see that c is closest to this value, so our answer is c. Thank you for watching.